morning, students. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will see question number 8, question number 9, question number 10. Today we try to complete the first exercise of this chapter, and let's start the next exercise also. Not exercise but the basic whatever we needed. Up to question number 7 we have completed. Now today we will see question number 8, 9, 10. Before we start question number 8, 9, 10, let me tell you, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest video for all the classes of LKG to PUC. Whoever, wherever, जहाँ भी वो पढ़ रहे हैं हमारे वीडियोस का फायदा ले सकते हैं. They can take the benefit of our videos. Now, come to question number 8. A is equal to Aij m cross n is a square matrix if 4 options are given. See students, m less than n, m greater than n, m equal to n, then the options. Now, first let me tell you, A is the name of the matrix. It has used square bracket. Aij are the number of elements, we don't know how many. M cross n is the order. This is the labeling of the matrix. Now it is given that it is a square matrix. It is a square matrix. Square matrix is square. All sides are equal. Square matrix. What is square matrix? A matrix in which number of rows are equal to number of columns. Number of rows are equal to number of columns. Now, what is the order m cross n? If this should be a square matrix, what should be the condition with m cross n, students? It should be very clear. Order is given m cross n unknown, but the matrix is square. In case of a square matrix, number of rows are equal to number of columns. M rows, n columns. M number of rows, n number of columns. Now, what should be the condition for a square matrix? What should be the condition, students? Yes, it should be m equal to n. So, option number, we can say option C is correct. Option C is correct. That is our answer. Now, moving to the question number 9. Which of the given values of x and y make the following matrices equal? Make the following matrices equal. Now, if these two are equal, then respective elements 3x plus 7. Now, I'll write first options before going to the solution. Before going to the solution, I'll write the options. Option A, first option, x equal to minus 1 by 3, y equal to 7. Now, option B, not possible to find. Not possible to find. Now, option C, y equal to 7, x equal to minus 2 by 3. Last option D, x equal to minus 1 by 3 and y equal to minus 2 by 3. Now we will see the solution. I'll write these two matrices as equal. 3x plus 7, y plus 1, 5, 2 minus 3x, 0, y minus 2, 8, 4. Now, 3x plus 7 because it is given as equal. 3x plus 7 equal to 0. Now 5 equal to y minus 2. Y plus 1 is equal to 8. And 2 minus 3x is equal to 4. Let's see one by one what is the answer. 3x plus 7 if you simplify. 3x plus 7. If you simplify 3x plus 7. First one. 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to minus 7. X is equal to students minus 7 by 3. Now, we will solve 5 is equal to y minus 2. Y is equal to 5 plus 2. Y is equal to 7. Now, I will simplify this. I will write bracket. Observe carefully, students. It's a very surprise answer. Y plus 8. Y is equal to 8 minus 1. Y is equal to 7. Now, 2 minus 3x is equal to 4. 3x is equal to 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4. 3x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 by 3. Now, friends, twist is y equal to 7 in both the cases. Y is equal to 7 in both the cases. But if you observe x equal to minus 7 by 3, x is equal to minus 2 by 3. This will obey this. But this answer will not obey this. So telling this answer is correct or this answer is correct is totally wrong. Or this answer is correct. Sorry. Telling these answers are correct is absolutely wrong. So the option is not possible to find. Why? Because for one value this is possible. For this value this is possible. For this value this is not possible. These two will not be equal for this value. Whereas for this value these two will not be equal. That's why because the option B. That's why because all these options are not correct. Only correct option is option B. Or simply you can write option B is correct. Now, now the next question is the number of all possible matrices of order 3 cross 3 with each entry 0 or 1. Now you see students 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Either the entry is 1 or 0. Now some students are maybe thinking, sir, you can write like this also 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Some of you are maybe thinking 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So how many are possible he is asking? The number of all the possible matrices like these, how many are possible, it is a question. Now let me tell you the answer is very easy but it may shock you. Like anything, how many, some students are maybe thinking, oh sir, keep going and write, we will reach the finite number of matrices. Some students may be thinking they are very smart maybe. But the answer is very simple students, very simple we can find. No need to write all the matrices. Just a simple formula we will apply. Total number of entries are 2. Total number of entries are 2. 0 or 1. See the formula. N. 2 to the power of n. Now, the question here is what is n? What is n? Now, what is n? Here, where n is order 3 cross C. The result of when n is the value of number of, or you can say the n is the number of elements present in the matrix. Simple. N is number of elements present in the matrix. Present in the matrix. Some students are maybe trying number of matrices. Don't try, students. See the result. 2 to the power of. Now, how many number of elements are present in 3 cross 3 elements, students? 3 cross 3 matrix. How many elements? 3 into 3, 9. 2 to the power of 9, 512 different matrices we will get, students. Don't keep trying. It's not possible to find. Possible, but it will take how many days you can imagine. I will not with you at that time maybe. And I don't want to be even. You keep trying, no problem. But the solution is 2 to the power of 9, 512. So this is the completion of exercise 3.1. Don't take any exercise easy, students. First exercise is completed. One day first chapter will be completed. Another day the whole. Some days will come, second chapter, fourth chapter, like that syllabus will be completed in chemistry, in physics, biology. Already you know how many we are completed. Don't take any class easy. You have to pay for that in that case. Before going to start the next class, let me tell you one more time, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Now, it's a very simple, very good concept, very simple concept. Addition and difference of two matrices. I'll write two matrices first. 2, 1, 3, minus 1, 6, 5. Matrix B I'll write 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Whatever numbers. I will go with addition first. I will go with addition first. Now, addition gives us A plus B. Yes, students? Addition of two matrices is supposed to be A plus B. It may be B plus B. Addition of matrix. See here. I will write A 2 minus 1, 1, 6, 3, 5 plus 0, 4, 2, 5, 3, 9. Now, students, addition of matrix is possible when the order of the matrix is same. Two matrices are said to be added or subtracted. Difference is nothing but subtraction. Addition, differences. Difference of matrix, subtraction. A plus B is possible or A minus B is possible only when the order is same. What is the order here? First row, second row, third row, first column, second column. What is the order here? 3 cross 2. What is the order here? 3 cross 2. if the order, whatever may be the elements, it doesn't matter, even it is in unknown form, x plus y, z plus d, possible, but the order should be same. Now you see, respective elements can be added, only respective elements. 2 plus 0 minus 1 plus 4, 1 plus 2, 6 plus 5, 3 plus 3, 5 plus 9. Only respective elements. First row first element you can't add with second row फर्स्ट एलिमेंट. अगर यहां पे आपने सेकेंड रो और फर्स्ट एलिमेंट लिया है 1, तो यहां पे भी सेकेंड रो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट ही लेना इन बोथ एडिशन और सब्सट्रैक्शन. नाउ यू सी 2 plus 0, 4 minus 1, 1 plus 2, 6 plus 5, 3 plus 3, 5 plus 9. Now, a minus b we will find. A minus b we will find. 2, 1, 3, minus 1, 6, 5. Minus b value 0, 4, 2, 5, 3, 9. Now 2 minus 0, minus 1, minus 4, minus into plus, minus 1, minus into 2, minus 2, 6, minus into 5, 3, minus into 3, 5, minus into 9, 2 minus 0, minus 1 minus 4, minus 5, 1 minus 2, minus 1, 6 minus 5, 1, 3 minus 3, 5 minus 9. This is how you can subtract. Addition and subtraction is possible only when the orders of the matrices are same. Otherwise, it is not possible. It is just an explanation, friends. It is not a definition. It is not a definition. It is an explanation. Okay. Let me write that explanation also. How we have added, how we have subtracted. Two matrices A, suppose Aij, M cross N, B, Bij, two different matrices but order same. M cross N, M cross N, order same, are said to be added or subtracted, if their orders are same. If their orders are same, that is A plus B is equal to Aij plus, यानी रेस्पेक्टिव एलिमेंट ही ऐड होना है. first element, first row first element. Third row second element, third row second element. Or A minus B, Aij minus Bi. You can write separately also, students. Matrix Aij, matrix Bi. Also, A plus B is of same order that of A and B. यानी जो A plus B और A minus B, उसका जो ऑर्डर आएगा वो ही ऑर्डर रहेगा जो A और B का है, कोई दूसरा ऑर्डर नहीं आ सकता। आप किसी दो को ऐड कर रहे हैं तो ऑर्डर बढ़ जाएगा, नो। जैसे अभी हमने आप देखा एग्जांपल में, यू कैन जस्ट रिवाइंड एंड सी। हमारा मैट्रिक्स था 3 क्रॉस 2 A और 3 क्रॉस 2 ही था B, और जो रिजल्टेंट आया A प्लस B में आओ या फिर A माइनस B में आओ, उसमें भी जो ऑर्डर था वो 3 क्रॉस 2 ही था। दिस इज कॉल्ड एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन इन डिफरेंसेस ऑफ टू मैट्रिसेस। Now we will move to the next subtopic. Multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. See here, students. First I will explain, then I will write the explanation. Suppose there is a matrix A. Suppose there is a matrix A, and supposed to be that matrix is 2 minus 1 3 2 6 4 of any order, 2 cross 2 3 cross 3, square matrix, rectangle matrix, rows are equal or not equal, whatever it is, of any order. Now suppose there is a scalar quantity. Do you understand by scalar? Suppose that scalar quantity is 2, or supposed to be is 3, or supposed to be 4 or 5, whatever it is. Maybe positive, maybe negative. Now, then the matrix Ka, is called multiplication of a matrix by scalar of same order, where each element is multiplied by K. Each element is multiplied by K. What is K? 3. 3 into 2, 6. Not over. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 3 into 3, 9. It's still not over. Ka is the matrix where the scalar quantity K gets multiplied with all the elements of it. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 6, 18. 3 into 4, 12. This is how we have multiplication of a matrix by scalar. Whatever it is. I'll write one more example, students. I get square matrix 2, 3, 5, 9. Suppose it is multiplied by some scalar quantity minus 2. Positive or negative, whatever it is. I'll write one negative number. Now B. Now KB. How we have to write KB? Minus 2 into 2, minus 4. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6. Minus 2 into plus 5, minus 10. Minus into minus plus 2 into 9. This is how the matrix multiplication by a scalar. Now, example you can take it. I'll write first definition. You can rewind and see how the example is. Okay. Now I'll write the explanation. So you will get it easily. Let A be any matrix. Let A be any matrix of order m cross n. Of order m cross n. And K be any scalar. K be any scalar. Then the matrix Ka obtained. Ka obtained. Ka obtained by multiplying. Obtained by multiplying. K, because we have taken scalar as K, by multiplying, or you can say each element of A by multiplying each element of A by K is called scalar multiple of a matrix. Okay. And one more thing, students. K is the matrix whose order is same as A. K is the, after multiplication, it will not change the order of the matrix. It will not change the order of the matrix after multiplying it by K. Now, we will move to the next topic in a moment. Now, students, we will see negative of a matrix. Negative, very simple definition, negative of a matrix. Students, what is the negative of 1? Minus 1. What is the negative of 3? Minus 2. What is the negative of minus 5? Plus 5. Like that, negative of a matrix, negative of a matrix A is minus, or minus A is equal to minus 1 into A. That's it. Negative of a matrix A is minus, or minus A can be taken as minus 1 into, if you multiply the same quantity, scalar multiple, here scalar multiple is minus 1. If you multiply minus 1 with A, you will get negative of the matrix. I write here one example. A is equal to 2, 4, minus 1, 6. If I need minus A, then I have to multiply A with minus 1. See here. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4. Minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. Minus 1 into 6, minus 6. This is called negative of a matrix. Very simple. Now, we will see properties of matrix addition, but not in this class, next class. If you observe in all the explanations today we have seen addition, subtraction, scalar multiple, or negative of a matrix. In all the cases, order of the matrix is same as the original matrix. order of the matrix is same as the original matrix. That should be noted, students. So in the next class we will see properties of addition of matrices, and we will see very important bit, matrix multiplication also. Hope everybody will have understood the topic. If not, then please put the questions in WhatsApp or in our YouTube channel, or you can call me, or you can come to school or college. You can say, you can ask your doubts. Thank you, students.